3 reasons why the next property you should buy, okay, should be leveraged by somebody else's credit, by somebody else's mortgage. You should not have your name attached to that mortgage. I know this seems a little different, but I'm about to give you 3 great reasons, on why you should not be using your own name to get mortgages, okay? And at the end of it, we're gonna tell you how that's possible. So let's get right to it. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Swan Belcher. If you don't know me by now, get to know me, subscribe, like, join the community. We talk about how to use real estate investing, okay, to make money, okay, not just one check. Typically, I teach my guys how to make 3 checks on one deal or to get paid every single month off of one transaction, okay, and that is something special. Inside of real estate investing, you can get paid to buy, you can get paid to keep, you can get paid on your taxes and depreciation, and you can get paid later. There's something special to the game, okay? And now we want to talk about today's topic is, well, I don't have good credit. Well, you don't need it. I have my own business. I'm 1099. I have a felony. You don't need none of that, okay? The number one reason why you want to leverage other people's mortgages is because you don't have to use yourself. You don't have to sacrifice yourself in order to gain, okay? Typically, banks like for you to use some kind of collateral, okay? Typically, banks like to have you put a down payment and like to pull your credit, all as like leverage, for them to put against you. Meaning that if you default, or even if you're just late, because they have your social security number, which is attached to a credit report, and we use credit to, as like worthiness these days, they try to threaten you with a late payment, right? Or they'll threaten you with a notice of default. They don't really see your hard time that you're going through right now as, like, who cares? That's your problem. And so they attach, mortgage notes to your credit so they can consistently try to collect their money through like a negative reaction, through dinging your credit, through sending you notices, through taking you to court. Okay. Now, when you leverage somebody else's mortgage, you get the protection of not having to guarantee the loan, okay? This is super critical because as real estate investors, our number one risk is being over leveraged, okay? That's literally our number one risk in real estate investing, okay? If we're buying with cash flow and we're buying with equity, where we get paid to buy, we get paid to keep them. Our only problem is if we get too much debt and our cash flow stops covering our debt. That's literally our only problem here. Okay, so why would we not use other people's mortgages? Number 2 reason why you should be leveraging other people's mortgages is you can buy as many as you want. Literally, you can buy as many as you want. Whenever you're using your personal credit, they say, hey, well, you qualified for a house, you bought one, you need at least 12 months of good paying history before you can buy another one. Matter of fact, you have too many now. You have 3 houses in your personal name, debt to income is a problem. Matter of fact, we're gonna max you out at 10 in your personal name and you can't buy any more. That's all you can have. I don't want no limitations on my life. Okay, I don't want no limitations. I want to go all the way up. I want to go way further than you ever thought about. Okay, and when you buy houses leveraging other people's mortgages, there's no cap. So literally, if I had 100 opportunities where I could leverage somebody else's mortgage, I could buy all of those properties today. Today. No limitations at all, okay? Now, of course, you need to have the resources, and it's definitely great to have some reserves to actually do that, but literally, is anybody gonna tell me no? No, okay? The power of this is if your goal is to leave your 9-to-5 job by replacing your income with residual income or rent income or flip income, then that means that you can get your goal today. You see what I'm saying? There's no growth spurt on reaching your goal If you have a goal, you can get to it by simply leveraging other people's mortgages. I hope this is making sense to you. By the way, if you like this, go ahead and press like. Okay. I'm not telling you anything I haven't done. I got several of these blue folders of houses that I've picked up over time, where I've leveraged other people's mortgages to own rental property, to do flips, okay, to buy and give somebody else the opportunity to buy. I mean, it's really just a phenomenal strategy. I'm actually pulling notice of default leads right now. Okay, now of course I'm still going for the smaller houses, but inside of those notice of default leads that come in, I'm particularly looking at the houses that me and my wife want. We know we want a 5-bedroom. We know we want 5 baths. We know we want more than an acre. And any lead that come across our table, you know, instead of making the offer on behalf of my business, I'm making it on behalf of myself, because I'm looking for a personal house. So this is a really good way, not just to get investment loans, but to always get, but to also get personal property. You know, you can get one for you, your family, for everybody. The last reason is because you get to help someone else, okay? At the end of the day, real estate investing, yes, we do make money, okay? Yes, we, you know, do stuff and have fun and entertainment and travel and all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, okay, we provide jobs for people, okay? At the end of the day, we help people get out of certain problems. And honestly, the joy on these people's faces when you help save them from foreclosure, when you give them some cash outside of their loan, when you do what nobody else could do, right? In terms of their house and selling of the house, when you do that, you just bless somebody's life. And that's amazing. Now, I don't want you to hold back anybody's blessing just because you didn't implement this. So I'm actually holding a live training, okay, on October 1st, where we're actually gonna teach you how to go through this, how to take over somebody's mortgage, how to leverage OPM, other people's mortgages, okay, how to make money with rental properties and subject to deals. And I want to be there to help kind of like guide you along so you can be held accountable to help somebody else. Okay, now I'm going to leave the link below. Okay, don't miss out on this opportunity, because I promise the price will never be as low as it is on this go around. October the 1st, I will see you guys on the live call. And remember, now is the best time to buy real estate. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate, then wait. Peace, y'all.